So total asset price is, we calculated here first problem, opening the written down value of block is 15% rate. So already 15% rate is given. So no need to worry about that. Depreciation is, so depreciation 15% on 51 lakhs being the machinery put to use in more than 180 days. So opening return value is already given is 42 lakhs given in the problem. So purchase of cost of import of machinery is 9 lakhs. So already imported machinery total. So total is 51 lakhs. So at the rate of 15% we got 7 lakh 65,000. This is the first thing. So new conditions has been say, two conditions must, asset must be used in the previous year, asset must be owned by the assessee. All assets purchased by an account by, so I purchased, so he is the owner. That is the basic concept. So next point, normal depreciation. So depreciation, new machinery purchase. So new machinery purchase on 1/12/10/2020. So new machinery purchased. So already new machinery purchased, we calculated here. So new machinery purchased rupees 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs. So depreciation on what, how many days here? So remaining 10th on October 12th 2020 new machinery was purchased. So remaining days is 1 night below less than 180 days. So calculate. So 180 days. So 180 days. So less than, as per the provisions, less than 180 days. So that's why calculated 7.5% on total depreciation rate 15%. So more than 180, remember, is more than 180 days. So this also signification of date of purchase effective on the time of purchase. So that where the two asset is acquired by assessee during the previous year, it to put use in the previous year for less than 180 days, the depreciation in respect of such asset is restricted to 50% of normal depreciation. So whenever you calculate normal depreciation, so 50% is 7.5, that's why 15% rate 7.5 15%. So hopefully clear this condition. So next condition, the machinery imported from this band used only Colombo earlier assessee in the first user of the in India. Next, new computer is installed in generation wing unit on 15th 7, that means August, July. So July sorry for that, 15th July 2020, that is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs here. So 2 lakhs, and that's why depreciation 40% on computers purchase of 2 lakhs. This must be given in the nature of the asset. So remember, that's it. The ratios we add is simple. So 40% on to 2 lakhs, that is 80,000. So total 8 lakhs 40,000, that is 9 lakhs 20,000. This is the normal depreciation we calculated. So first of all, we calculate more than 80, 180. So remember this point simply, briefly. An asset is owned by the assessee. An asset is used by assessee during the previous year. Must be used. These two conditions we calculated depreciation claiming. So next we calculated block of assets section 2 of 11. So we'll study the deep each and every line of this theory. That's why we can understand that easily. Otherwise you can't understand any problem. Simple. So depreciation on charges less than 180 days, we calculate of 50% on depreciation rate. So 40% on computer purchase, because already rates are given in the nature of the assets extracted from depreciation rate. This is the provisions. So this is the provision rates. So that's why I calculated here. Institute calculated 40% of 2 lakhs and 80,000, that is 9 lakh 20,000. So next, additional depreciation, refer the note below. So here it is already given the note below. So additional depreciation of 10% or at the rate of 10 lakh being actual cost of new machinery purchased on 12th. So that's why, so we calculated additional depreciation because new machinery purchase. Depreciation we calculated before here. 10th, this calculate new machinery This is purchase, we calculated depreciation, normal depreciation. So normal depreciation 10 lakhs. So that is the 10% of additional depreciation, 10%. So we calculate additional depreciation of new machinery purchase, actual cost of new machinery purchase. So what is the note below? We will study here. So additional depreciation of new company machinery, wing of 20% of 2 lakhs. So depreciation additional machinery purchase. So 2 machinery, extra machinery, 20%, that is after 2 lakhs 40,000. Already we given here. Normal depreciation 40,000, 80,000. So half of the additional depreciation 20%, 40,000. So next, what is the next? We study the note here. So depreciation of plant and machinery, total we add is 10,60,000. So depreciation, what is the, why we calculated additional depreciation on 20% or generation wing. The benefit of additional depreciation is available for to new plant and machinery. The benefit of additional depreciation is available to a new plant and machinery acquired and installed in the power sector undertakings. According to the additional depreciation allowable in the case of new machinery. So a plant of acquired and installed by the assessee, by an assessee engaged in inter alia in the business of generation of transportation depreciation of power at the rate of 20% if the actual cost of such machinery plant. Therefore, new computer installed the generator wings units initially eligible for additional unit depreciation. Since the new machinery was purchased out only at 10 12, it was put in use one less than 192 as it once we only called 10%, the 50%. So we have 50% at the rate of 50% of 10%. So 50% of 10, same. Additional depreciation we calculated, it's simple. That's it. Hope you'll understand. However, additional depreciation shall not be allowed in respect of intra alia. So any machinery or plant which is before installed by the assessee used either within the outside India or by any other person. Therefore, additional depreciation is not taxable. So additional depreciation is not taxable. Additional depreciation is therefore not allowable. So not allowable in respect of imported machinery. So not allowable in respect of imported machinery since it was used in Colombo before it's installed by the assessee. So no, happily this is the note. That's why we calculate 20% of 50%. So 10% we calculated here. Hence only 10%. That is the additional depreciation for refer note. So we hopefully understand. I hopefully understand this topic because it is not less than 180 days. So not less than 180 days. So that is the 50% of 20%. So 20% is the new generation of installation of computer wings. So this is also rate given by the blocked assets, books owned by the plant of machinery. So hopefully understand. So before 180, less than 180 days, we get 50% on the depreciation rate prescribed by the Income Tax Act as per the relevant assessment here. So hopefully clear. So if you clear it, like it, subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. This is the depreciation problem, simple problem. So we will cover basics of the institute materials also in the latter part of the, until we subscribe, stay tuned for more updates.